Hey, alright guys, what's up? Brandon here. So, quick scenery change. I'm in my kitchen. I was just washing some dishes here. But I want to talk about liquidity. It's interesting that we were focusing on my pipe. I want to talk about water and why water is such an interesting concept that we can bring back to trading, right? Now, there's a thing that moves the market and it is known as liquidity, right? I want to use this time here now to explain liquidity in a way that might make it easier for you to understand. Now, it's interesting that we use the word liquidity and I'm making that link to water. That term liquidity, what it really means is flowing or flow of something, right? And as you know, water flows through the path of least resistance. Now, I want us to think about water filling up something, right? If we have a glass, when this is empty, in order for you to be able to drink it, obviously you need to fill it. Now, why do we as human beings need water? It is actually said that you could survive without food, but you need water. This glass needs to be filled in order for me to get my fill of water. If this glass isn't filled, then I'm going to seek out water from somewhere else, maybe another vessel. Now, what I'll tell you is I've realized in this space that we reside in, the trading industry, the forex industry, you get a term frequently, right, that the market is going for liquidity. It's taking out liquidity. It's using liquidity. Everything is about liquidity. Have you ever wondered what liquidity is? It's not water, it's energy. The same way that we are going to fill this glass with water, this water serves as energy for another source. The source, obviously, is the body. Now, have you ever heard big investors or rich people say something like, I need to liquidate some assets? Why is that? It's because they have their assets stored in something. The problem is, because the asset is stored in something, they need to release that storage of that asset and liquidate, as they say, in order to get a free flow of that cash, so that they can then use that cash and be able to do something. I want you to think about the market as a very similar, or to function in a very similar way. The market, in order for you to be able to actually move and take a trade and have it move in your favor, what needs to happen is the market needs to store some of that liquidity and then use it. Now, how does the market store some of that liquidity? Just like that, until we full. Now, once it has got its full of liquidity, then it's free to use it how it sees fit. And interestingly enough, it's never what you think.